Hello friends, welcome to Shreya Study World. Today we will study on National Parks of India. So let's begin. Question number 1. In which year the Wildlife Protection Act was introduced in India? Answer is in 1972. Question number 2. Which act has been passed by Indian government to protect wildlife? Answer is Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Question number 3. Which is the most endangered animal in India? Answer. 7 endangered animal species in India. Asiatic lion, snow leopard, Nilgiri thar, Kashmiri red stag, black buck, one-horned rhinoceros. Question number 4. Which is the first national park of India? Answer is Jim Corbett National Park. Question number 5. Which is the largest national park in India? Answer is Hemis National Park, Ladakh. Question number 6. Which Indian state has highest national park? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Question number 7. Which is the newest national park in India? Answer is Great Himalayan National Park. Question number 8. How many national parks are there in India? Answer is 103. Question number 9. Which is the smallest national park of India? Answer is South Button Island National Park. Question number 10. List of national parks in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Campbell Bay National Park, Galathe Bay National Park, Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, Middle Button Island National Park, Mount Harriet National Park, North Button Island National Park, Rani Jhansi Marine National Park, Saddle Peak National Park, South Button Island National Park. Question number 11. List of national parks in Andhra Pradesh. Papikonda National Park, Rajiv Gandhi or Rameswaram National Park, Sri Venkateshwara National Park. Question number 12. List of national parks in Arunachal Pradesh. Moling National Park, Namdapa National Park. Question number 13. List of national parks in Assam. Dibru-Sikhwa National Park, Kaziranga National Park, Manas National Park, Nameri National Park, Rajiv Gandhi Orang National Park. Question number 14. National Park in Bihar. Valmiki National Park. Question number 15. List of national parks in Chhattisgarh. Guru Ghasidas National Park, Indravati National Park, Kangar Valley National Park. Question number 16. National Park in Goa. Mollem National Park. Question number 17. List of national parks in Haryana. Kaleshwar National Park, Sultan National Parkour National Park. Question number 18. List of national parks in Gujarat. Bansda National Park, Blackbuck National Park, Gir National Park, Marine National Park. Question number 19. List of national parks in Himachal Pradesh. Great Himalayan National Park, Indarkila National Park, Khir Ganga National Park, Peen Valley National Park, Simbalwara National Park. Question number 20. List of national parks in Jammu Kashmir. City Forest or Salim Ali National Park, Tachigam National Park, Kishtwar National Park. Question number 21. National Park in Jharkhand. Betla National Park. Question number 22. List of national parks in Karnataka. Ansi National Park, Bandipur National Park, Bannerghat National Park, Kudarmukh National Park, Nagarhole or Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Question number 23. List of national parks in Kerala. Annamudi Shola National Park, Eraviculam National Park, Mathiketan Shola National Park, Pampadam Shola National Park, Periyar National Park, Silent Valley National Park. Question number 24. List of national parks in Madhya Pradesh. Bandhavgarh National Park, Fossil National Park, Indira Priyadarshini Pench National Park, Kanha National Park, Madhav National Park, Panna National Park, Sanjay National Park, Satpura National Park, Vanvihar National Park. List of national parks in Manipur. Kebul Lamjo National Park. List Question number 26. List of national parks in Maharashtra. Chandoli National Park, Gugamal National Park, Navigaon National Park, Pench National Park और जवाहरलाल नेहरू नेशनल पार्क, संजय गांधी और बोरीवली नेशनल पार्क, तडोबा नेशनल पार्क. Question number 27. List of national parks in Meghalaya. Balpakram National Park, Nokrek Ridge National Park. Question number 28. List of national parks in Mizoram. Murlin National Park, Phangpui Blue Mountain National Park. Question number 29. List of national parks in Nagaland. Itanki National Park. Question number 30. List of national parks in Odisha. Bhitarkanika National Park, Similpala National Park. Question number 31. List of national parks in Rajasthan. Mukundra Hills National Park, Desert National Park, Keoladior Ghana National Park, Ranthambore National Park, Sariska National Park. Question number 32. List of national parks in Sikkim. Kanchenjunga National Park. Question number 33. List of national parks in Tamil Nadu. Gundi National Park, Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park, Indira Gandhi National Park, Mudmalai National Park, Mukurti National Park. Question number 34. List of national parks in Ladakh. Hemis National Park. Question number 35. List of national parks in Telangana. Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park, Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park, Mrugavani National Park. Question number 36. List of national parks in Tripura. Clouded Leopard National Park, Bison National Park. Question number 37. List of national parks in Uttar Pradesh. Dudhwa National Park. Question number 38. List of national parks in Uttarakhand. Corbett National Park, Gangotri National Park, Govind National Park, Nanda Devi National Park, Rajaji National Park, Valley of Flowers National Park. Question number 39. List of national parks in West Bengal. Buxa National Park, Gorumara National Park, Jaldapara National Park, Neora Valley National Park, Singalila National Park, Sundarban National Park. आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप नीचे कमेंट करके बताइएगा. यूपीएससी, एसएससी, रेलवे सभी बच्चों के लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेगा. आप सभी लोग इसको अच्छे से पढ़िएगा, कमेंट करके बताइएगा और इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिएगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड थैंक यू ऑल.